Zion Williamson is a generational talent.
The most hyped ever.
That's a next level pass by Zion Williamson.
His footprint that he's leaving digitally for the next generation will put him in that upper echelon.
Well, he's unforgettable as a player.
He's phenomenal. He's a man amongst boys.
Zion Williamson, the face of college basketball and the most hyped prospect of the one-and-done era. A rare blend of power, speed, quickness, and gravity-defying bounce that basketball, and potentially all of sports, has never seen. Now, we've never seen a physical specimen quite like Zion Williamson, but he does share some qualities with two former players, Charles Barkley and Larry Johnson. Although considered undersized, all three were powerful, quick, and explosive at their peak, with somewhat similar body types, wingspans, and overall profiles. He's a highlight waiting to happen, but with the skill, feel, and IQ that far exceeds his reputation. Then there's his motor, which runs hotter than any top prospect in recent memory. From his coachability, to his energy, to his refreshing approach to the game, Zion Williamson is as advertised, a franchise-changing prospect and the clear-cut prize of the 2019 NBA Draft. Maybe the most impressive physical specimen college basketball has ever seen, Zion Williamson had the nation gushing with highlight reel dunk after highlight reel dunk. He's quick, powerful, and an explosive leaper with the 1-foot bounce of a wiry wing, not a 285-pound man-child. He takes off well beyond the charge circle, getting full extension thanks to his head at the rim bounce. He can pop off the hardwood off his left leg for lobs or powerfully load up off 2 feet, jackknifing through the air with incredible body control for a player his size. 360s, windmills, tomahawks, you name it, Zion has it in his arsenal as one of the most powerful in-game dunkers basketball has seen to date. He converted 83.6% of his shots in transition, and that dynamic leaping ability is a huge reason why. While the dunks are the initial draw, it's Zion's shifty nature and functional athleticism that makes him so unique. 285-pounders aren't supposed to move the way that Zion Williamson does, which makes him a near impossible cover when he catches with a head of steam in the open court. His ability to play slow to fast, contracting his muscles on command with this devastating crossover, is a trait you'll often only find amongst the shiftiest point guards, like a De'Aaron Fox, Russell Westbrook, or Kemba Walker. Williamson's ability to sky above the crowd in traffic also makes him one of the draft's deadliest offensive rebounders. Not only does he pursue rebounds with energy, but he can climb the ladder in a crowd, using his physicality and strong hands to attack the ball at its peak, snatching 4.7 offensive rebounds per 40 minutes at Duke. Zion's rare physical profile shows on the defensive end as well, as he covers ground in the blink of an eye with his unworldly closing speed that would make every NFL GM salivate. He's explosive on a vertical and horizontal plane, he's shifty, and he takes contact in traffic, finishing 74% of his shots at the rim, and is more than comfortable taking smaller defenders onto the block, rocking the baby with his power buckets. Although praised for his acrobatic finishes, Williamson is an ultra-skilled shot creator and a mismatch nightmare for opposing bigs. He loves to push off the defensive glass, unleashing that shifty nature and ball handling against scrambling defenses, ranking in the 90th percentile as a transition ball handler. Not only can he push to score, but Zion is also an excellent open court passer, finding guys in stride with quick outlets or threading the needle to streaking teammates with on-the-money bounce passes through tight windows. Over 33% of Zion's total assists came in the open court, and his ability to not only attack the rim to score, but also create for others in transition makes him a nightmare cover in ad-lib situations.
Oh, boy. He might have the whole top 10 to himself by the end of the night.
That pass. Are you kidding me?
In the half court, Zion is an electric, powerful mismatch driver who few bigs in the NBA should have an answer for. He changes speeds going to his right, going to his left, here unleashing a right-hand hesitation move against Reed Travis, who stood no chance. He changes pace with crossovers as well, right to left or left to right, before hop-stepping through the paint and finishing with soft touch. His footwork as a finisher is impeccable. He's comfortable exploding off either leg, keeping big defenders guessing as he catapults into the air. He's simply too quick, for slower footed defenders, and not only has the hop steps and body control to finish, but also the vision to drop it off to bigs in the dunker spot when the help does come. Should help defenders opt to load up and keep the behemoth out of the paint, he'll kick out to shooters or dump it down to a big. Whether it's with crossovers, in and outs, spin moves, or behind the backs, Williamson is an extremely underrated ball handler and passer, which won't be the case for long once he gets to the NBA. Zion is more than comfortable playing out a pick and roll as well. It's not often that you see players with his profile set up a screen with this type of pace and footwork. He's able to split ball screens as well with these devastating lateral hop steps that cover an incredible amount of ground. He yet again unleashes that polished footwork with change of direction spins, leaving big defenders in the dust. Even if teams don't respect his jumper and pick and roll, he's powerful and dynamic enough to get to the front of the rim anyway. He loves to reject ball screens as well, catching the primary defender off guard with these change of pace crossovers that have become a staple in his game. Zion is a sound pick and roll passer as well, making him a well-rounded ball screen weapon in the half court. So what if teams opt to check him with a smaller defender? Well, Zion is really comfortable getting to his spots in the post. In fact, he's the most efficient post-up scorer in all of college basketball at 1.31 points per possession. He utilizes that same drop step footwork that helps him shake defenders on the perimeter, and his combination of power, quickness, and touch makes him nearly automatic on the block. While still left-hand dominant, he started to mix in more shoulder shakes to lose defenders, exploding into his move. If teams send doubles his way, Zion is a smart and instinctual passer, capable of hitting shooters and cutters alike. Mostly coveted for his dunks and shot creation, Williamson has the makeup to be an equally devastating defender as he gains more experience. Now, despite his weight and body type, Zion is more than comfortable stepping out and switching onto guards. Here, staying with Prentice Hub impressively before blocking his pull-up attempt. He's more of a hop defender than a traditional slide guy, but he's so quick with his contain and contest that he can eventually develop into a real lockdown weapon, especially when he's on point with his conditioning. His value isn't only in switches either, as Williamson has shown the willingness and ability to contain guards and wings like Jarrett Culver, suffocating opponents who test him off the bounce. Even if he gets beat initially, his quick twitch leaping ability allows him to recover and erase shots in the blink of an eye. Although short, he has more than enough strength to bang with centers on the block, here bodying up 260-pounder Steven Enoch. His low center of gravity makes him more difficult to move, and he does an excellent job of jumping the passing lanes when in a three-quarter denial. He can switch, he can defend the post, and protect the rim. Part of why he could very well become one of the most devastating small ball fives in the NBA. He's instinctual from the weak side with sound verticality technique that led to 2.4 blocks per 40 minutes while playing mostly the 4 for Duke. Now, naysayers will point to his height for why he can't function as a small ball 5, but as you can see on this block, Zion plays closer to 7 feet than 6'7", thanks to his otherworldly explosiveness. Not only can he sky for blocks, but he has outstanding anticipation and wants to put a lid on the rim from the weak side. Despite standing only 6'7", Williamson ranks 13th in our top 100 in block rate and has all the traits to become one of the better undersized rim protectors in the league. Zion will quickly be on a short list of modern bigs who can switch 1 through 5, bang with centers, and protect the rim, giving him the ultimate defensive versatility that every NBA team covets. Zion is a ball hawk in the passing lanes as well, operating like a free safety around the rim or a cornerback on the perimeter, jumping routes to the tune of the 5th best steal percentage in our ESPN Top 100. Zion figures to be a defensive asset perfectly built for the modern game. While clearly physically gifted, a 1 percentile athlete, it's rare to see a top prospect play as hard as Zion Williamson does night in and night out. His will to win is unparalleled and will quickly win over the respect of his teammates, coaches, and fan base. He flies around for chase down blocks, rarely giving up on plays and unleashing his freakish athleticism to erase shots in transition. He's a multiple effort player who's willing to put his body on the line at all costs. Now, he won't just make the glamorous plays that are bound to end up on SportsCenter's top 10 either. Williamson is relentless in his pursuit of 50-50 balls, diving on the floor to generate extra possessions. He erases defenders in free throw box out situations, mixing in spins and swim moves built for the gridiron, yet extremely effective on the glass, showing a passion and energy few elite prospects before him have possessed. Zion's energy is infectious, and if his skill set fails him, he's not making shots, he's struggling to get to the rim off the bounce, he can always hang his hat on his motor. He's going to impact winning with his effort level, his willingness to do the little things in the NBA from day one. There's still a lot of work to be done and questions to answer as a shooter, but the fact that Williamson shot 34% from three on 71 attempts is far beyond expectations coming into his freshman season. A virtual non-shooter in high school, Zion showed just enough natural touch and confidence from beyond the arc to eventually force a hand contest from defenders, which would make him close to unguardable, especially as a small ball big. Seemingly the only legitimate question mark surrounding Zion Williamson is his shooting stroke. Having watched him hoist hundreds of jump shots in person over the years, his release remains on the slower side, with the ball coming off the side of his hand at times. While his 34% three-point mark is a huge step in the right direction, his free throw struggles are a bit worrisome at 64%. The ball doesn't always come out of his hand cleanly, as he finishes his follow-through out toward the rim rather than up, leading to a flat trajectory and a barrage of front rim misses. In actual live action, Zion can really improve his shot preparation, as he rarely catches on the hop, casually getting into his release, hesitating with jab steps before firing. Williamson needs time and space to get to his jumper, and improving his preparation would go a long way in making his shot more fluid overall. The fact that the ball comes off the side of his hand at times also leads to a wide variety of misses, even with defenders daring him to shoot. On one hand, it's not out of the question that he develops into a league average spot-up shooter, and there aren't many small ball 4-5s with an elite pull-up game. But to fully unlock his dynamic shot creation, Zion would benefit from becoming much more of a threat as an off-the-dribble shooter. Zion knocked down only 2 of 12 pull-up jumpers in 33 games. Williamson gets caught between a set shot and a jump shot off the dribble and just doesn't have all that much experience shooting a high volume of pull-ups. When defenders are able to sag off and give Williamson room, he's a much easier cover and becomes a bit predictable as a driver. With little pull-up threat and a one-track mind toward the front of the rim, defenders are able to sag off, anticipate, and take on-ball charges. With the detail that goes into personnel scouting in the NBA, Zion could become quite one-dimensional as a shot creator if his jumper abandons him early on in his NBA career. Loaded with defensive potential, Zion's discipline on that end of the floor could use quite a bit of work. He's still raw defensively with his motor working against him at times, as he's a little jumpy and overactive. He'll help off stretch bigs and give up open looks, or close out with his hands down. On other occasions, he's far too undisciplined, going flying on ball fakes rather than closing out under control. He simply doesn't have a lot of experience defending in a team concept, given his background and path to the number 1 overall prospect in the NBA draft. Here against Jarrett Culver, you can see he's ball watching, loses sight of his man, then goes for the steal, handicapping his teammates behind him. Here against NC State, you can see his lack of technique, hopping toward his man with minimal effort, rather than closing out under control with choppy steps and active hands. Zion's lack of discipline also shows in how often he gambles for steals. Now, to his credit, he comes up with a lot of balls in the passing lanes, but can do a much better job of picking his spots. He'll break on balls he has little to no chance at, leaving the rest of the defense in a major bind. Whether it's a pass on the wing or a post entry, Zion isn't afraid to attack the ball. Even late in the shot clock, with the offense completely contained, Zion will go flying and eventually give up an open 3. He has the tools, he has the instincts, he has the motor. It's just more experience and keeping his body right that's going to play a huge role in maximizing his defensive potential.
I will be joining the Brotherhood of Duke University.
He reminds people of a version of Charles Barkley.
Do I think that he's going to be a future star in this league? Yes.
Well, the word everybody keeps talking about is the presence that he brings to the table.
He can take it off the deck. We've seen him with the great passing skills.
Get him ready for the NBA dunking contest. Doesn't matter. Every game, it's going to happen at least once.
Activity. His ability to get his hands on loose balls, go after offensive rebounds, get out in transition, and finish with both hands.
Doubters may question his position, or his shooting, or his body type, or his injury history. But Zion Williamson is coming into the NBA at the perfect time. He's truly a positionless player who can thrive at the 4 in certain lineups or close games as one of the most devastating small ball 5s in all of basketball. He can operate like a point center, protecting the rim, switching screens, rebounding, then pushing in transition, making his teammates better. As Zion showed this year at Duke, he's far more than just a YouTube sensation and has the physical gifts, skill level, energy, and personality to one day develop into the face of the modern NBA.